Hey folks, happy Monday here. No better way to start your week than with wallpaper removal, and I am here in Minnetonka today. We're taking off some wallpaper in this big townhome, and we're starting the stripping process on the actual paper itself, doing some experiments to see what'll get it off. But there was a border. I'll show you a little remnant of it there. So you get the face of the border off. Like I mentioned before, there's 3 parts to wallpaper removal: the actual graphic on top, the paper backing, and then the glue there. So I got the graphic off here, and I'll show you how wallpaper should come off if you're doing it the right way. So here is the corner here. Here's the paper backing. Whoop. Just like that. That's the good stuff. Now, best case scenario here, we are going over existing wallpaper, so at least it gives it a stable base. But the paper backing on this stuff, once you get that wet, once you expose the paper backing, this stuff comes off really easy because the water penetrates right through it. Now we're doing some other tests on this side, whether we need to use a paper tiger or not, and I'll give you an update a little bit later. So that's just how, if you get the solution right and everything, we got the garden spray here, we got a little bit of diff in there, and then we spray it on and it instantly comes off. So I have some more awesome plaid paper upstairs, and I'll show you that in a few minutes.